Hello, my name's Sue Grant from Berthon, and what follows is a video featuring LIARA Dixon 65 from 2002, significantly updated through life. Just to remind everybody, she is on the market, and seriously so. What a very special yacht she is. Beautifully crafted, composite build, fantastic in-boom furling, set up for two people to sail oceans in. She's also got a great layout for if you want to have a crude yacht, and very well organised above and below decks. She's ready to go, significantly updated again this year. I'm afraid that the video we're showing is not a full video due to the enormous heat in Genoa when the video was being done by my colleague Alan McElroy. She is a bit special. She is well priced. Do take a look. Here is LIARA Dixon 65 in Genoa, built by Southern Ocean Marine, New Zealand. As we take a look at her, you'll see that she really is very custom. The build quality and detailing is just not what you get on production yachts. Matterhorn white hull from 2017, she was all repainted. Great to have a white hull for the tropics. Lovely scoop. Easy access onto the yacht from the sea. Davits. She's got a Zodiac fast roller, which is all put away. Carbon fibre passerelle. And then onto the aft deck. This year, all of the decks have been recorked and tidied up, and they're looking absolutely fantastic. Twin wheel. Really good junction into the cockpit. Safe and exciting boat to sail. She's by no means standard. Engineering was done by High Modulus, and she's got carbon vacuum infused cord hull, carbon superstructure. She was built to be fast, and in her original ownership she certainly knocked up some really good results. Main sheet aft, Southern Spars rig. These owners have updated her considerably. Nice gin and tonic seats, good access for the life rafts beneath. You've got two large storage bins, port and starboard, on this aft deck. The top sides and superstructure, it's just been fully polished. The deck painting up forward here has just been replaced. It's all looking very fresh. She's not being used at the moment. The owners undertook a very big refit 2017, intending to take her around the world. Unfortunately, plans changed, and so she is laid up, apart from some local cruising, up until a year or so ago. Anchor, this is something that they did in the refit. She's got rock now, she's got an anchor arm that's hydraulic, very easy to operate, stainless steel chain, aluminium spade as a spare anchor. So that does look good. And when they were doing the refit, they were very bothered about this hatch, which was a perspex hatch, so they had it replaced in teak. This is access down into the forward lazarette. As you can see, everything is in fantastic condition. Everything is perfectly packed away. She is under gardenage and she's being taken care of. Dorades are off because she's not being used this year. This rig is triple spreader. It's got hollow carbon spreaders, in-boom furling, Southern Spars rig.
That's carbon, isn't it?
Yeah. I think most of them, like the Southern Martin Marine sort of marine stuff.
North sails. She's got a parasailer for downwind sailing.
Curling down there. It's really, really nice.
Weathermax spray hood, and these panels unclip, which is also very good.
Slightly over-engineered.
All the halyards come back. They're all under deck. Lovely varnish cockpit table. The winches are all by Luma.
Shiny there, Macat through.
Majority of them are powered.
There if you want.
Very easy to work short-handed. Although she does have room for crew, these owners were certainly intending to take her two-handed around the world, and she's perfectly capable of doing that. And then here are the two aft lazarettes, which are joined. And as you see, all of the running rigging is put away, all labelled. Everything is extremely tidy.
That's alright, goes right through.
And all waiting just to be unwrapped and to go sailing. Really good access to the steering. See the B&G there. The owners during the refit did do an update on the electronics, so she's running now on Max C. She's got Furuno T2 Touch 14. It's overlaid with AIS and radar. This is a lovely entertaining space, but you still have the connection between the sailing and the living. To keep drinks cold. Note the position of the electrics for the winches on the companionway top. And now we're going to have a look below. So the interior is just beautifully finished in mahogany. A lot of the joinery below is Nomex core. It was done for lightness. All of the headlinings are looking excellent. These owners put in these mahogany floors which really lift the yacht. And everywhere you look, the junctions are perfect. The joinery finish is just excellent. Just do not see finish like this today. Beautiful table. Everything in immaculate order. You see these new floors. You see the holly inlays. It's just beautifully done. Really good chart area. Galley in a U, really good at sea. Big refrigeration, microwave, cooker. Really good position for if you're handing food out onto the deck. Very secure access into the cockpit. Large dining area. Coming back to this yacht, you just forget how good she is. And then guest accommodation up here. Again with these lovely floors. Double berth cabin. Lots of storage. I love the use of this white covering which stops the joinery looking heavy, and it also means that the quality of the joinery just pops out. Separated shower stall, of course. Corian floor on it, and also a moulded sink in the Corian, which is also detailed. Look at this floor. Beautiful. Lovely, powerful shower. Extraction, beautifully moulded. Remember, this yacht is a one-off. Look at that detailing on the basin. No rough edges at all. And then we move, because this heads is shared, into the upper and lower berth guest cabin. Again with lots of storage. And then we're going to just have a quick whistle-stop tour aft. Not as extensive as we would have liked, but I'm afraid the GoPro got the better of us. It's really hot in Genoa, so the GoPro is struggling a bit. She's got a Yanmar 190 turbo, which is accessed on the left, running on a max prop, and she's also got Northern Lights generator. And we're just going to pass the day head, and then there's an upper and lower berth cabin, and then into the owner's stateroom, which is lovely. Of course, it's got its own heads compartment. Beautiful detailing around the cupboards. Beautiful detailing in the floors. Just so lovely. Looks like she's just out of the box. Very hard to imagine that this yacht is from 2002. Control panel here. Just a taster of LIARA. She really is worth a look. She's a bit special.